ఓకే. సో ఇప్పుడు ఏదైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడగండి. ఈ విండోలో మీకు ఏమన్నా స్ట్రక్ అవుతాయి కనుక. సో
Recording in progress.
ఎనీ క్వైరీస్ అండ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటబుల్ విండో. ఓకేనా? ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ పోదాము. నెక్స్ట్ విల్ గో టు సేవ్ చేస్తున్నాను. క్లిక్ ఆన్ సేవ్ బటన్. హియర్ జస్ట్ ఫర్ ఓకేనా కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ ఈఎక్స్ఏ. ఐ వాంట్ టు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ యూ గైస్. దెన్ ఈఎస్ఎన్ షార్ట్ నేమ్. This is my executable name. This is my short name. Okay. So now here, on top of this executable, I'm going to create a concurrent program. Just look into my screen. I'm opening the program. So while creating the concurrent program, you guys will link executable and concurrent program. Around link చేయాలి మనము. So for this executable, we are going to create this concurrent program. So where is my window here? This is my window. Keep that. I'm opening concurrent program. So just look into my screen carefully. Yeah. So these many fields are there: executable name, short name, application name, then execution method and file name. Now coming to content program window, just look into my screen here. So program name here. So last time, okay, we pasted the file name. This is the wrong here. Don't take a file name. Start with ATD, your project name. Don't take XX. That's very, very important. Then requirement AR invoice report. So you have to follow the okay, init cap. Start with your project name. Don't take XX. Then okay, some okay, your business requirement with the init cap. If any special characters, then take in uppercase, no problem. Yeah. Otherwise, go with the init cap. So this program know by the end user. So the end user know only one value, that is the program name, nothing but a report name. With that, the users will submit in SRS window. The user don't care about what is executable name, what is a short name. They are not a Oracle guys here. They know only one value, that is the called as the program name. That's it. They don't care about what is the short name, what is the application name. Simply they will go to SRS window with that particular responsibility. Then they submit a program. The program name should be some meaningful, some readability. Okay, na? Don't take as your file name. Yeah. So now onwards, whenever you create any new executable, new concurrent program, you can follow the same standards which okay, na, we created in the 6 methods, but only the program name. Yeah. Next time onwards, please take care with the some naming conventions. Start with the project name, then init cap, and don't take underscore. So take the spaces. So this is a little important. Yeah. Then short name, you can take any value, no problem. Yeah. Okay. Na? Any value. Okay. Na? Oracle can support. Maybe you can go with your file name also, no problem. Okay. Na? So this short name will not allow any spaces. Just look into my screen carefully here. It won't allow any spaces. Short name. Okay, na? The second thing, always it will store in the uppercase. Even you try to you try to enter in the lower case, it will convert it to uppercase. So keep these two in your things in your mind here. The content program short name always will store in the uppercase. The second thing is it won't to allow the spaces. The third one is it is a okay na free text. You can take any value, but it won't allow the duplicate. Okay, na? Then application as usual here, you can take as per your department requirement. Then now here, I want to link it to my executable. So please help me here. Here, this is the executable name. No. You can take a different one also, but Oracle can allow, but that's wrong here. Take both would be the same. Even if you take the wrong one also, in applications it will work, no problem. But as per the standards, please go with the proper one. That means whatever the executable name you are taking in the executable window, the same thing you have to enter in the content program also. But even if you take the different, it will support, no problem. So now help me, okay, na? In executable name, what value I need to take here out of this, okay, na, 5 fields? Like it's a primary key and a foreign key. Executable is the primary key. Concurrent program is the foreign window. I need to make a link or establish a link between these two tables. What is the common column? We created around 6 programs. Hmm? So this is a short name, yeah. Okay, na? Executable short name in executable window equal to then executable name from little confusion here. Here the column heading is the executable name. Most of the developers will think executable name. Okay, na? No one will think about short name. That's wrong. Yeah. Please take the short name and paste that short name in the executable name. So this is the link between your executable window and the concurrent program window, like a primary key and a foreign key. So now tell me here, what is the common column between the executable window and the concurrent program window? Hmm. No, no, no. You have to say both columns here. In executable window, short name equal to in concurrent program window,
Executable.
executable. Suppose if I ask you what is the link between the department table and employee table, what is your answer? Simply you will say the department number. Is that right answer? Hmm. No, no, don't say that. Okay, na? You have to say department table dot department number equal to EMP table dot DEPT number. That's the right answer. The reason is while creating the employee table, may I will take the XX column name is the XX instead of the department number. Then ఆర్కిటెక్ట్లో primary key and foreign key relationship. May you can go with the different column name. So best practice here, whenever you say the link, you have to say the table name dot column name equal to table name dot column name. Don't say simply depart number is the column name. That's not the right answer. You have to say the table name also. Okay. So we'll go here. Program name. It's a free text. It can allow any value, but the standard is start with your project name, unit cap, and don't take any underscore or hyphens. That's an important thing in real time here. Okay, na? But here you can ignore. In the real time, you should follow the naming conventions. Then short name, it's also free text. You can take any value. It won't allow the spaces. Always it will store in the uppercase. Forget about application name here. Executable name equal to your okay na short name of executable window. So we'll go here. First program. Tell me here what is the program? Hmm. Free text. Start with the project name. Let's say example ATD. Okay, na? And take business requirement. Business requirement with the unit cap. That's it. Yeah. Business requirement means invoice report or sales order input, whatever the requirement you're going to develop, or maybe create a directory. Whatever the requirement you're going to do, keep that word in the program name. Next, short name. Short name. Again, it is a free text. Will not allow spaces. Then will store in uppercase. That's a short name. Yeah. Then executable name. What is the executable name? Hmm. Short name of executable window. Very, very important. Yeah. Short name of executable window. మీ executable window లోని short name column అది. Please, yeah, okay, na? Keep in your mind. That's it. So now onwards, sir. Next time, or maybe tomorrow, we'll get a chance. When you create a new content program, so forget about your naming conventions, yeah. So take executable name, short name, everything as your file name. Only one thing you have to change it. What is that? Only one thing you need to consider. What is that? Program name. Please take a program name properly. Yeah. Start with the ATD, continue with your business requirement, then unit cap. So don't take underscore, don't take hyphens. That's not acceptable in real time. Yeah. Please follow the standards while creating a program name. Forget about remaining short name. No one will check that here. No one will care about what the short name. Even if you take XX also, no problem. Okay, na? Nothing will happen. Only the program name should be some meaningful. The reason is the end user okay, na, submit a program name with this. The end user should have some readability. Okay, na? So you have to take care of that. So any queries till now? Next, output format. Oracle can support FO, HTML, hypertext markup language, PCL printer control language, PDF portable document format, PostScript, text, and XML. These many formats will support. It won't support the sorry. It won't support the Excel. It won't support the RTF. It won't support the Word. Yeah. This we can next we'll work on the BIP reports. At that time we'll work on the okay na Excel, RTF, and Word format. So next we'll discuss the BIP reports, XML publisher reports. At that time we'll get a chance. Right. Now tell me here, what are the output formats will support by Oracle? It will support the PCL printer control language. It will support the text format. It will support the PDF. It will support the HTML. It will support the XML also. And the FO also it will support. I don't know what is the FO, but I work on the remaining. Yeah. I never get a chance to work on the FO. Ignore that one, no problem. Okay. Na? So this many formats will support. Here some limitations are there. It won't support the Excel, RTF, and e-text format. That will get through the BIP reports. The topic we'll discuss. Okay. Na? Maybe within 1 week you will get a chance. Next. Okay. That's very, very important here. Use in SRS. Listen carefully. If a content program, once you open a content program window, by default, use in SRS checkbox is checked. Listen there carefully. Then I can assign this content program to my request group. I will assign this program to my request group through SRS window. I can submit. So sometimes, sir, I will uncheck this checkbox. Then I want to assign this program to request group. If I am not assigning this program to request group, then I can't submit a program through SRS window. మీరు గ్రూప్కి అసైన్ చేయలేదనుకోండి మనం ఎస్ఆర్ఎస్ విండోలో సబ్మిట్ చేయలేము. దట్ ఈస్ ద లిమిటేషన్. ఓకేనా? ఇన్ రియల్ కేస్ సమ్ కేసెస్ సార్ ఓకేనా వీ నీడ్ టు క్రియేట్ ఎ కాంక్రెంట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ బట్ వీ నీడ్ టు అన్చెక్ ద చెక్ బాక్స్. I will give one scenario, then you will come to know. I'm getting the data from the Salesforce. Listen here, okay na? So I developed one CP1 for okay na pick files. I will connect it to the third party and pick the files. I will develop a PROS proc file. Then I am writing a CP2 load into stage table. Then I will write a CP3, then validation. I need to write a validation, so duplicate data, blah, blah, blah. That's a package. Then finally, I need to submit a CP4. This is the seeded program, Oracle program. Okay, na? I'm getting the customers data from the Salesforce to create the same customer. That means they are creating the customer in the Salesforce. I want to create a same customer in the Oracle applications. I need to submit 4 programs. How many programs I need to submit? The end user has to submit 4 programs. These programs will develop by you guys only. CP1, CP2. I'm giving the sum, okay, na? CP1, CP2, but in the real time, take a proper name, sir. CP2, CP3, CP4. I need to submit. Maybe the end user should submit 4 programs to move the data from the Salesforce to Oracle. This is a headache to end users to submit that many programs, sir. In real time, what I will do as a developer, CP3, that is a package, nothing but in the package itself. Internally, I will submit a CP1, CP2, CP4. Once I submit a CP1, automatically, sorry, once I submit a CP3, automatically the CP1 has to fire internally, CP2 will fire, then CP3, CP4 also will fire. So in that case, here, the end user should not submit a CP1 through SRS window. At any cost, the user should submit only CP3. For CP3 only, I will give the use in SRS checkbox. And I will enable this program in SRS window. The remaining 3 programs, I won't give the access. It will fire automatically when I submit a CP3. So in that case, yeah, for the CP2, 3, 4, sorry, remaining programs, I will uncheck the use in SRS checkbox. That means the user cannot submit a program through SRS window. So this is one of the real scenario where we will use the uncheck checkbox. That means using SRS checkbox will uncheck. Okay. So is that clear here? Like, tell me, what is the use in SRS? Hmm. What is the purpose of if it is checked will assign program to request group and submit through SRS window. If it is unchecked, we cannot. As a developer or maybe the end user cannot submit a program from the SRS window. Right. Then very, very important here, how to submit program from backend. So till now here, we submitted program through SRS window. Go to SRS window, view request, submit a new request. May you will get a chance to work on that. We have to call one API fnd underscore request dot submit underscore request. So before 20 years here, if you go to interview and if you say this answer, they're releasing the offer letter the same day without any delay. That much important here. FND request, submit request. So this is the API given by the Oracle. With this API, we're going to submit a program from backend. So FND request dot submit request. So it's a function here. It's a function. It will return request underscore ID. Later we'll discuss. Okay, na? As of now, just remember that here, the API name, FND request, submit request. With this API, we can submit a program through SRS window. మీరు submit చేసుకోవచ్చు. You could see the V output and VLOG also. You can control that. That much powerful, yeah. FND underscore request dot submit request. Particularly submit request is the function. It will return a request underscore ID. So, any query here? So that's it, yeah. Okay, so tomorrow onwards, yeah. So we are going to create a program. So while creating the program, you should take care of only one value. What is that? Hmm. ఏమన్నారా? I need to take care of only one value. ఏంటది?
కాంకరెంట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ సార్.
ప్రోగ్రామ్ నేమ్ ఒక్కటే మీరు మీనింగ్ఫుల్ గా క్రియేట్ చేసుకోండి. రిమైనింగ్ మీరు ఎలా పేరు పెట్టుకున్నా కానీ ఏం కాదు. ద ప్రోగ్రామ్ నేమ్ షుడ్ బి మీనింగ్ఫుల్. కొంచెం ఇది జాగ్రత్తగా ఏటీడీ ఓకే యూనిట్ క్యాప్లో అలవాటు చేసుకోండి. దట్స్ బెస్ట్ ప్రాక్టీస్ ఫర్ యూ ఇన్ రియల్ టైం. లేదంటే మీ మేనేజర్ చూస్తూనే చెప్పగలుగుతాడు ఎక్కడో సంథింగ్ రాంగ్ ఉందని చెప్పేసి. ప్లీజ్ టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రోగ్రామ్ నేమ్ ఒకటి, అదొక్కటే చూసుకోండి. ఎందుకంటే ఎండ్ యూజర్కి అది తెలుస్తుంది వాల్యూ. ఈ రిమైనింగ్ వాడికి తెలియదు ఇవన్నీ. దిస్ ఫర్ అవర్ పర్పస్ యాజ్ అ డెవలపర్. సో దట్స్ ఇట్ యా. టుమారో విల్ గో టు ద డిఫరెంట్ వన్. సో కీ ఓకేనా. అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద కామన్ కాల్ బిట్వీన్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటబుల్ విండో అండ్ కాంక్రీట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ విండో? ఎగ్జిక్యూటబుల్ విండోలోని షార్ట్ నేమ్ ఈక్వల్ టు కాంక్రీట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ విండోలోని
ఎగ్జిక్యూటిబుల్ నేమ్.
ఇది ఒక్కటి అడుగుతారా రేపు? ఏం అడగను నేను. ప్లీజ్ బి ప్రిపేర్. ఇది ఒక్క క్వశ్చన్ నాకు ప్రిపేర్ కండి చాలు. ఎందుకనే రేపు చూద్దాం మనము. సో ఐ విల్ ఆస్క్ ఓన్లీ వన్ క్వశ్చన్ టుమారో. వాట్ ఈస్ ద కామన్ కాలం బిట్వీన్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటబుల్ విండో అండ్ కాంక్రీట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ విండో? బై హార్ట్ చేయకండి, కొంచెం లాజికల్గా థింక్ చేయండి. రేపు ఓకేనా. ఐ విల్ ఆస్క్ సమ్ మోర్. ఐ విల్ గో ఇన్ డెప్త్. ఓకే. సో విల్ ఓకేనా స్టాప్ టుడే. విల్ కనెక్ట్ టుమారో. సో ఈరోజు ప్రాక్టీస్ అయితే ఏం లేదు మీకు. సో ప్లీజ్ ఓకేనా లుక్ ఇన్ టు ద ఓల్డ్ టాపిక్స్. ఒకసారి బ్రషప్ చేసుకోండి అవన్నీ 5 ప్రోగ్రామ్. There it will allow. There it will allow the spaces. Only the content program short name only will not allow the spaces. Okay. Okay. So we'll connect it tomorrow.